Good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 3rd subject English. So, we are doing dictation word, right? So, lastly we have completed up to our science, right? So, we'll continue with our further dictation word, okay? So, now the next word is infection. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, infection. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, infection. Then viral. V-I-R-A-L, viral. Here only. V-I-R-A-L, viral. Then next is habit. H-A-B-I-T, habit. H-A-B-I-T, habit. Next is prevents. P-R-E-V-E-N-T-S, prevents. P-R-E-V-E-N-T-S, prevents. Then next is cream. C-R-E-A-M-S, creams. C-R-E-A-M-S, creams. So now whole the dictation word from this chapter are over. I hope you all are writing this. Okay, so now we will discuss keywords. That is, first is hesitation. What is the meaning of hesitation? To speak slowly because you feel nervous. Now hesitation means to speak slowly means suppose teacher is asking you a question. Suppose some question is asking, but you are confused or you are nervous at what answer I will give, what answer I will give. You will feel hesitation. You will feel nervousness. That is hesitation. So you are speaking slowly like this. Yes, teacher, this, because you are nervous. So this is known as a hesitation. Second is query. A question that one asks when he or she has doubt about something. Query. What about query? That you are doubt on something. Suppose I am giving you a dictation word. I am speaking in your classroom. Imagine that you are in classroom and I am speaking dictation word. Then you will ask, ma'am, what you said before? Ma'am, what is the spelling of this? You have doubts on me. But what will come? Doubt is known as query. Then third one is intervene. Intervene. To interpret a person when he or she is speaking. At your home, sometimes your mother is speaking with your brother or your sister. But you are speaking in between, not letting to complete their talk. You are speaking in between only. When they both are speaking, there's this much book I have to complete, and you will speak. Yes, like this, intervene. Okay. Then prevention, stopping something bad from happening. So prevention. How will take prevention? Now this corona is there, right? So you are using mask, right? See, like this you are using mask. Why you are using mask? That corona will not affect us, right? That will not happen us. So for this we are wearing that mask. Then we are using hand sanitizer. We are washing our hands before going when coming back to your home. Anything. Then you are drinking turmeric water, ukala, like this, all these things, right? Why? Because you don't want that corona to come at your home right now. So you should wash your hands before eating foods, or you should use hand sanitizer each and every time when you are coming from outside places to your home, and you should wear mask, right? So these are the prevention that you have to take so that corona will not happen to you. So like this prevention is there. Okay. The children, you all are taking prevention now. Take care. Don't go outside your home to play. Okay. After this time you stay at your home and watch TV and use mobile phones. After some period, if it will all be okay, then you can go. Okay, so these are the keywords. Now let's discuss our activity number 3. A science fair will be held in Ahmedabad. The children, you say that this fair will be held in Ahmedabad. No, this fair will be held in Gandhinagar. So here it will come false. Dhruvi's mother applied sugar to her mouth. That Dhruvi mother was applying sugar. No, she was applying turmeric. So here it will become false. Turmeric is an antiseptic. It will make us wound clear. Turmeric is antiseptic. Yes, true. Dhruvi want to buy a booklet about herbs. She want to buy a booklet. Yeah, she want to prepare by herself. So what will come? False. She want to prepare by herself. Ayurveda is the science of life. Yes, we have seen that Ayurveda is the science of life. Okay. So this true or false, write one time and study. Okay. Then in next lecture I will give a question answer of this chapter. Okay. So your chapter become also clear and practice will be also there. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.